Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Koike, K-O-I-K. And it's a very common name in Japan, but maybe it's difficult to pronounce for foreign people. And now, the Tokyo Hep Clinical Forum is coming to a close. And in this 1.5 day event, all the sessions were very active with excellent lectures and fruitful discussions on the themes of hepatitis B, hepatitis C, NAFL, NASH, and HCC. And the significance of this meeting was really exemplified by your attendance. And I'd like to extend cordial appreciation to all the people associated with this meeting. And in particular, I'd like to express sincere appreciation to Dr. Mitsuya for his great planning and kind consideration, including the selection of this 5-star hotel as a venue. And today, Dr. Mitsuya told me that with great success of the current meeting, he has decided to have another HEP clinical forum in Japan, hopefully next year. Okay. Finally, thank you very much for coming join us to this meeting. And I hope you enjoyed your stay with us, and I wish you a safe trip to your home. Thank you very much.
One final announcement. We have decided to give another HIV clinical forum in May next year. So if you're interested in HIV stuff, and then please come to the meeting. And also, as Dr. Koike mentioned already, we are, Dr. Koike and I, discussing with virology education to have another HEP clinical forum in this hotel, probably after Olympic and the Paralympic the next year. And then again, thank you so much, and so long. Have a good trip back to your home. Thank you. So with this, this forum is concluded. Thank you again.